This metal ceiling panel roll forming machine is customized for the Belarusian market and is designed to produce metal ceiling panels from 0.50 mm steel coil with a material strength of 350 megapascals. The complete production line integrates a 3-ton hydraulic decoiler, roll forming machine, hydraulic punching and cutting system, electrical control cabinet, and 3-meter receiving table, providing an efficient solution for continuous ceiling panel production. Customized design, durable components, and reliable performance engineered by Zhongtuo for your production needs. Contact us for more information.